How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. So if you want to find watch later playlist on YouTube, then first you need to open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, you can simply select a video. For example, I'll just choose this one. Go with the right side, which has that three dots, and tap on save to watch later. And once you've saved, now if you want to watch that, or if you want to find the watch later playlist, then you just need to simply tap on the profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have an option of playlist. You can simply tap on view all, which is on the right side of the playlist, and here you will have all of your playlist. So you can simply tap on the first playlist, and here you will have all of your watch later videos, or if you scroll down, then you'll have your watch later videos right here. On the bottom you will have watch later playlist, which is right here. Tap on it, and that's it. That's how you can find your watch later playlist. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.